Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will dive you into a quick rundown of maximizing ChatGPT's potential. First, log in to your ChatGPT account and select the session you want to explore. On the left menu, click on one of these prior sessions and choose the session you are interested in. If you encounter a response that needs improvement, click the thumbs down icon to provide feedback, aiding ChatGPT's future performance. Then, scroll down the session and hit Regenerate Response. During this process, you can opt to halt response generation by choosing Stop Generating if needed. Once the regeneration is finalized, voila! You'll be presented with a fresh, new ChatGPT response catered to your query. It is as easy as that. With these simple steps, you have harnessed ChatGPT's capabilities and optimized your interaction. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.